Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Sekhukhune 2. I'm joined by the best coach in SA, Coach KP.
Leader Grand.
I'm not the
number one leader. Leader, before we go,
yeah.
Give out brother Yola for 2 minutes.
Sure.
So leader, check. Now, there's an issue here. Sundowns having played too many games. It's a 50-50.
Yes.
Because one would come and say, okay, let's start with the negative. You can come and say they are collecting fatigue, players getting injured.
Yeah.
You see, that I think it's those two things, fatigue and injuries.
Sure.
Yeah, if you look at that. And the thing is, when you speak about the league, you can't talk and then you don't mention Pirates.
Yes.
Yeah, you see. So you will say, no, but why Pirates is not playing and all these things. I don't know. I think the fixture was out way before, but I don't know what's happening lately. You see. But look at the advantage of Sundowns playing too many games.
Coach.
One, let's look at Matthews. Matthews had a red card.
Yes.
He's now back. We even forgot on Matthews had a red card because it's a game on Saturday, it's a game Wednesday, it's a game Saturday, it's game Wednesday.
Yeah.
That on its own. So it forces the coach to rotate his team.
Yes, it does.
Hence why I've picked up the last 4 games, they didn't start with the same lineup. There's always a change.
Yeah.
So it gives you, if you go look at it, I think around 30 players that Sundowns have already played.
This season.
You see,
yeah.
Hence why we saw Ujedi February today. He's playing, and I think this is his second game. You see, so if you look, I think this is the only team that has played 3 keepers this season. I might be wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, you see.
Rotation,
you see. So playing too many games, it looks like it's bad, but it's not overall bad. It has its positive. One, like I'm saying, when a player gets a red card, he gets to be skipped Monday, Tuesday, and then Wadlala Wednesday. He's serving his suspension, then he's back. Sabuile already. Injuries. If a player gets injured, Stivo, if it's a smallanyana knock, you quickly pick up your match fitness.
Yes.
Because you play on Wednesday, you play on Saturday. So it gives the coach that chance. Wednesday we can give him rest. Or Wednesday, let's play him because he's coming back. Let's give him last 10 minutes. Let's see him. Saturday, is he ready to start? So it has its positivity in it. Look at now, they've introduced Uvrva Mda, who's back from injury.
Yeah.
He played today. Chances are he might start Chiefs.
Yes.
You see, so it has those positivity. Look at Chiefs. Who's this? Sereno since got a red card last week Friday.
Sure.
He's not playing for Sundowns because they haven't played a game.
Exactly.
So let's say Pirates was playing so many games as them. Good morning, Musele. We saw he came in, he played, but you can see he's not fit. But if Pirates had a game today, you would give him more minutes. By the time you get to Saturday, he has picked up.
Coach.
We might look at it. No, Sundowns is playing too many games, and I agree with them. But also, you're heading to KEF. By the time KEF starts, all your squad is ready
and fit.
Everyone is ready. Everyone is playing.
Conditioning.
You see, we saw a young Chavalal on the bench, but we won't finish it. That's, Hey, Mr. Emo, thanks for that 2 minutes. I think we're only looking at it's too many games, fatigue, and all that. But you look at Dennis Onyango. He had a red card. The red card is finished now.
Yes.
You see, so you even forget. But let's get into the game, Steve. I always say, Steve, lineups that were given on paper, it's not the reflection of the game.
Okay.
You see, I'll try and explain it here, Steve. Sekhukhune in red. Sekhukhune in red. Sekhukhune in red. They said they're playing 3-4-3.
Yeah.
But if you really look at it, it wasn't 3-4-3 because they had Omar Khaila coming in here as a right back. Atus.
Yeah.
Then it went back to 3-4-3 as we normally know it.
4-3-3.
Yeah, 4-3-3.
Sure.
They played it this way, Steve. They tried playing it this way.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
But because on paper it was saying 3-4-3, and you look at it, why do they say 3-4-3? You look at the goalie. What do you call this? Sekhukhune. What they did, and I think it's a tactic that worked, it's just that they couldn't maintain it.
Sure,
they knew Hormakaila's pace on the side. Mdau is not pace, and Mdau would want to move up. What they did when they had the ball, they just took the ball by Viamo. Mdau was late. Makhaila went and overlapped, cross, and then a goal. You see, but if you really look at him, he was playing more on a right back position. You see, so this is what I always say, that lineups, especially when you are attacking, Steve, you can hardly see, but you always see them when they are defending. You see, I don't want to say I don't have much proper formation. It's always seen when you defend. You see, and this is how Sundowns apparently was supposed to line up.
Yeah,
Steve, you see, they had Morena, they had Mudau, the two center backs, Ferreira Rocher, who's this Mukwena, Kasongo. They said, like I said, somebody go stadium with them must stop saying Ribeiro. Kasongo. Yeah, Kasongo here. Kasongo. They had Reynas or Shaluli here. Yeah. But look at what Sundowns does, Steve. I was saying to someone, sometimes I don't know, maybe people that analyze Sundowns, they don't watch it. Sundowns plays very simple, Steve. Sure. What they do, they bring this guy in. This guy becomes a striker. These are the two strikers. It's Reynas and Shaluli. Yeah. This guy comes here, you see, and then they push up the full back. They push up the full back, and then who's that? Who's this guy? No. The one who plays with Mukwena. Allende. Yes, Allende would come in, and then Jaden Adams will come in, and then Mukwena comes here, and then they build this rest defense. Two center backs and then Mukwena. Hence why lately, if you look at it, you get Allende more in the box or more playing in front. Yeah. And what they do is when they get the ball here, they try and play them behind the two center backs or the defense. Okay. You see. So if Mukwena has the ball, or let's say Adams has the ball. Sure. Remember, this guy is already moving up. These are the full backs. This guy is starting to be worried about this guy. What they do, they try and play it here so that Reynas and Shalulile can run behind. But what's very tricky about this thing, or what's amazing about what Sundowns does, Steve, it takes me back to Spanish. When Spain started, they always had triangles, Steve. And Habadlala. But now look at I was very impressed with February. Molodung, Steve. He's very comfortable. Okay. Yeah, when they had the ball, he would come up. There's a time where he came up all the way up until halfway line. Now you look at where the triangle starts, Steve. Yes. It's February here. He has the ball. Now you already have a triangle. Yeah. You have a triangle. That's the second triangle, Steve. When the ball gets there, this guy drops in here. Now you look at this triangle. In this way, it's a triangle, Steve. If you look at here, it's a triangle. It's a triangle this way. Same thing. You have a triangle. Like everywhere they play, it's a triangle. Always. And this, you can only be able to do this with off-the-ball movements, Steve. And this is what I've been saying. Yeah, we can't say much about individual brilliance. We know what Sundowns can do. But look at my Saleh's goal. Like when I said Saleh's now, this is what, look at the two goals Eva Korlen, the last game they played before Sekhukhune. Konje, who did they play? Is it Magezi?
Before Sekhukhune?
Yeah. Who were here. No, not TS Galaxy. No, they lost to TS Galaxy. They won 3. I think it was Magezi. Yeah. Remember, there was a line, Magezi. They had lines here still. Sure. So Sundowns scores almost identical goals. They had lines. And if you remember, this is where Sundowns scored their ball. Yes. Now look at today where Saleh scores his ball here, Steve. Go check it. We're Hata he. What 10? Ali 1. Now what's happening between these two things? So the pocket, Steve. This is the most important thing. When you are marking, you can't leave this pocket. This pocket is very important, Steve. Why? Because this is, remember, you're defending here. And if the ball gets here, Steve, what's happening to these two people? It's either they mark or they leave him. Hence why Khono Hata Bolo, Atena, Anka. So this pocket, this pocket is very important. And I think that's what Sundowns is starting to master. So they allow you to think when you are marking these two. You are concentrating on these two. But this guy here, free. They always come in as a late runner. This pocket here, It's the most dangerous pocket.
Hey.
That's where Saleh scored. Go look at Magezi's game. Same thing still. Allende and Ribeiro. Oh, let's stop saying Ribeiro. Kasong. Yeah, you see. So this is what I'm noticing. I don't know if Chiefs can identify this, Tio, but I think the moment you stop these triangles, maybe Sundowns might struggle. But if you go look at the balls, they always play a ball from here, they try here. They no longer want to try pass here, move, and then move with the ball all the way. No. Yeah. You get here, you can play it behind striker. And remember, if you're here, when you hit the ball, where are you going to hit it here? Second ball, it's always Sundowns balls.
By win.
So the triangles are very, very important, Steve. Extremely important. So in closing, Steve, now, if we go to, like I said, Sundowns playing too many games.
Yeah.
Look at Ubatu's overs. We forgot that he got a red card, that Nedbank thing.
Yeah,
it's too many games. He's back now. He got injured. I saw on Saturday when they were playing TS Galaxy.
Yes.
He was hurt because Mukwena was on the bench. He started.
Yeah.
He's back. He played minutes again. So every player is getting minutes. That's the importance of playing games. And also rhythm. I remember there was an interview before Pirates. Grand Kekan. We are not even on gear 3 yet. Once we hit gear 3 and 4, we are gone. And it tells you. Look at their last 3 games, Tio. I think 4 goals.
Each game.
So Sundowns fans can look at this in the positive way.
Yes.
Yeah, it's something that you might be concerned with, but look at it. I think they were playing their 20th game or their 19th, somewhere there. We played 30 games, right?
Yeah.
If they've played their 20th game, meaning how many games are left for them to win? If they win their next 5 games, they are gone. Steve, we can close the league. If they win their next 5 games, if this was their 20th game, then the league is gone.
25 games played.
If they play 25, gone. Now the team that is coming from behind, you are now worried. Well, these guys are not dropping points.
Pressure. The pressure,
Steve. So let's, before your luck kills
of the match, coach. Of the match.
Hey, Steve, today I was looking too much on tactical. So I personally feel the boys being overlooked, or Ferreira Rocher, because we know he's a good player, or Allende. For me, I think he deserves recognition. So I would go for Ferreira Rocher.
Hey, coach.
Thank you, Steve.
Coach Robert.